Hey everybody, this is Dustin, Area Specialist. So I just did a video on this Grand Design Solitude, and it's one of the ones for the campaigns. And I went over that I was talking about how, depending on the coach and the setup, like this one, you can see Zach didn't remove the fender skirt on because he doesn't need to, because it's not in his way while he's underneath there doing all the welding for the V-braces and the support tubes and fixing the cracks. But on the opposite side, where he has to go in and out several times, he went ahead and removed the fender skirt on this side because the room doesn't go out that far. And then he has to go back and cut all the plates off that are underneath here that are right there. And then he goes back in and puts all the V-braces in, and that's what he's in the process of doing on the other side. So still got quite a bit to do, but basically starting with the V-braces. And in the other video, I went into all the details of what we're doing. One thing I didn't capture in the video that I want to show you is that, obviously it's easier for us to drop the suspension. And when we drop the suspension, the guys are bringing in her on basically an axle holder. Usually we have two of these in here, but there's other ones being used for other jobs. So we're completely removing your whole suspension. And while we're here looking at the suspension, as you can see, there's grease and some bad, irregular wear. The grease is bad. It's been getting thrown around in the hubs. You can actually see all the bushings are completely shot in the eye of the spring. You can see where, obviously they haven't been being, pressure washed off or cleaned. We're always looking for damage on the CRE 3000s. It's not that it's a bad product, but we see a lot of them because of the rough roads here. These are recommended to be replaced every 5 years. Typically, we're seeing the castings will break on the sides. And when they do that, it basically expands them out. It flares them open, and then they get kind of loosey-goosey in there. And then the pivoting point on the bottom that rides up and down, it just usually shears off that bolt. So we've reported it over the years to them. They've actually made some changes and modifications, and which is great. And so if you still have these, even though they're really popular and they're pushed, it's not something that we sell here. We don't want you to put them on just because of our area, but there's other brands that we prefer that are stronger, that act differently and whatnot. Or if you haven't checked out our Roadmaster videos, that's something that's other than doing the more ride full independent suspension, which costs considerably more, or if you're going to do, I guess they're now making those Kurt independent suspensions, and I think there's a couple different variations of those, but I don't know. I'm just still stuck with the whole Roadmaster thing. I don't know if we're going to be doing any upgrades to this unit or not. I'll find out later, and if we do, then I'll post a video. We actually have a bunch of units on the lot as normal, even though it's wintertime. An Imagine, another Imagine. There's a couple more Solitudes. Well, actually, there's 1, 2, 3 Solitudes, 1, 2, 3, 4 Reflections. There's another Solitude inside getting a roof job done on it. There's another Reflection. So, all right. And I think another Imagine. Yep, there sure is, hidden around the corner there. All right. Well, anyways, stay tuned for more. This is Dustin, Area Specialist, and you guys have a great day. It's actually Friday, December 5th. And so we're all looking forward to the weekend. So you guys have a great weekend. Travel safe, and we'll talk to you soon.